Kill. What you could kill?
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Do it again. Do it again. Show the mean beans. The mean beans. Go on. Oh, hell yeah. You're so big and bad.
This morning at 4 a.m. I began my usual charade of waking up my mother and father by gnawing on their legs and feet until they rise to feed me. If I do not eat alongside the sunrise, I will instantly perish. This morning mother asked father to feed me since she wasn't feeling well. That was their fatal error. I will not accept daddy's food at 4 a.m. That is mommy's time. It is the only way. I continued to bite my parents for over an hour, preventing them from sleeping, even though my food was next to me, until my mom got up and pushed my food around in my dish. With her blessing and magical touch, I deemed it acceptable to eat. Now I am annoyed my mommy woke me up to do this TikTok and I'm starving.